Hey guys, welcome to this our setting guide, and here I'll detail how to turn off mobile data in Photos app on iPhone iOS 18. So if you are running on latest iOS 18, discover that the mobile data is turned on your iPhone Photos app, so you can easily update or upload your iPhone to iCloud. However, if you want to do this only on WAV file, then this video is going to show you how to do this. And with this feature turned off on your iPhone photos and videos will not be automatically backed up to your iCloud account to save storage. So if this is what you want to do, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to disable or turn off mobile data in Photos app on iPhone iOS 18, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, scroll down and click on apps. Now, once you selected apps, scroll down the page until you get to the Photos app. So just keep scrolling until you get to Photos. Go ahead and click on that. Now, once you selected Photos, you need to scroll down a bit until you get to mobile data. You can say turn off mobile data to restrict updates to WAV file, including shared album and iCloud photos. So go ahead and click on mobile data. Here, locate mobile data, turn off mobile data to restrict updates to WAV file, including share albums and iCloud photo. Here, you can see unlimited updates. Turn on for unlimited use of mobile data to upload and download to iCloud photos when you are not connected to Wi-Fi. This may cause you to exceed your data plan. So go ahead and turn all of this off. And once that is disabled, that's going to disable mobile data in the Photos app on your iPhone on iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.